Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Iconic sprinter Milkha Singh was Saturday cremated with full state honours in Chandigarh, marking the end of an era in which his pioneering accomplishments on the track galvanized a newly independent India. Milkha, who was 91, was bid a tearful adieu in presence of his family members and several dignitaries. The Flying Sikh, as he was fondly called, died Friday night due to post-COVID complications. His wife Nirmal Kaur, a former India volleyball captain, had lost her battle to the virus 6 days ago. His son, an ace golfer, Jif Milkha Singh, lit the funeral pyre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to hold an all-party meeting on Jammu and Kashmir next week. This will be the first such meeting since the abrogation of Article 370 from the region and bifurcation of the state into two union territories in August 2019. It is learned that meeting may take place anytime next week. India recorded 60,753 new COVID cases and 1,647 fatalities in the last 24 hours. This is for the second consecutive day in the last 2 months that the death toll has come down below the 2,000 mark. It is also the 12th consecutive day when India has reported less than 1 lakh new coronavirus cases. Meanwhile, Odisha registered 3,427 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally in the state to 8,73,925. The active caseload in the state now stands at 40,471. Odisha-born bureaucrat and Secretary of Union Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade Guruprasad Mahapatra died of COVID-19 related complications. Mahapatra passed away early in the morning while undergoing treatment at AIIMS in New Delhi. Experts at the United Nations Office of the Human Rights Commissioner have said in a report that they are concerned about India's IT Rules 2021 in its current form. The rules do not conform with international human rights norms, they said. In the run-up to America's Independence Day weekend, US President Joe Biden struck a sunny note declaring that the US is heading into a very different summer compared to last year. US has vaccinated 30 crore people in the 150 days since he took office and has brought COVID situation largely under control. The Delta version of coronavirus is expected to become the dominant strain in the US. Director of US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Rochelle Walensky, said. In addition to Delta, the CDC has noted 5 other variants of concern. New Zealand won the toss and put India to bat in the World Test Championship final at Hampshire Saturday. India's playing 11 includes Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Cheteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant, Ravindra Jadeja, Ravichandra Ashwin, Ishant Sharma, Mohammad Shami and Jasprit Bumrah. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.